Good morning, students. I hope you all are going good and doing your homework assignments well in time. Today's our topic is reflection of white light by a prism. In previous class, we discussed about refraction of light through a glass prism. There we considered only one ray of light and we look how it refracted and again refracted when it emerges out from the glass prism. And today's topic we will discuss how white light, that is sunlight, is dispersed in 7 different colors by a prism. So before starting today's topic, let's recapitulate what is a prism. As you can see in the figure here, prism, it is a transparent medium bounded by two transparent mediums inclined at some angles. Angle of incidence, it is the angle of incidence which is formed by incident ray and normal at the point of incidence. Angle of refraction, it is the angle which is formed by refracted ray and normal. Angle of deviation, it is the angle by which emergent ray is deviated from the direction of the incident ray. Angle of emergence, is that angle which is formed by the emergent ray and the normal, between emergent ray and normal. So angle of incidence is between normal and incident ray. Angle of refraction is between normal and refracted ray. Angle of deviation is between a projected incident ray and a back projected emergent ray. Angle of emergence is between normal and emergent ray. And last, what is angle of prism? The angle at which two rectangular surfaces of the prism are inclined is known as angle of prism. And whenever we draw a ray diagram, only its triangular face is shown. Prism's triangular face is shown. So coming to today's topic, refraction of white light by a prism. This topic comprises of 3 new terms: spectrum, dispersion and monochromatic light. First of all, spectrum. The band of 7 colors obtained on a white screen is known as spectrum. Dispersion, splitting of white light through prism. This phenomena is known as dispersion. Monochromatic light, light of single wavelength, it means light of single color, is known as monochromatic light. As you can see in the diagram, a beam of white light, that is sunlight, is incident on a surface of a prism PQ at point of incidence B. When this white light enters into the prism, it splits into its constituent colors. As if all the colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet are having different wavelengths, they travel at different speed in this medium, that is glass. So their angle of deviation is also different. The light which is having maximum wavelength will be least deviated, and the color of light which is having minimum wavelength will be displaced, deviated maximum. So here on white screen we obtain a VIBGYOR. So from here, dispersion of light means when white light of sun is allowed to fall on the prism, it splits into 7 colors. This phenomena of splitting of light is called dispersion of light. Now what is composition of white light? As you can see on the white screen, there are 7 different colors. White light consists of 7 different colors, which are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. These colors are in increasing order of their wavelength. That is, wavelength of violet color is minimum and that of red color is maximum. So the red color is least deviated and violet color is most deviated one in this white light of sunlight. Now what causes dispersion of light? White light consists of 7 colors and each color has its own wavelength. In air, all the colors present in white light travel with same speed, but in different mediums, different color travel with different speeds. Speed of colors depend directly on their wavelengths. Due to these reasons, different colors suffers different amount of refraction from the first face of the prism and get separated, and when they emerge out from the another face of the prism, we obtain a spectrum of white light, which consists of VIBGYOR, violet color, indigo color, blue, green, yellow, orange and red color lights. Got it? Now what happens when we recombine the spectrum? Do we obtain white light? Yes. If we combine the spectrum as shown in figure, we place 2 prisms as shown in figure, then the white light which disperses into its 7 colors, which splits into its 7 colors, again recombine to form a white light when it passes through the second prism, and we obtain a white light on a screen, a white spot on a screen. This was first introduced by Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton was the first to use glass prism to obtain the spectrum of sunlight. He tried to split the color of spectrum of white light further by using another similar prism. However, he could not get any more color. He then placed the second identical prism in an inverted position with respect to the first prism, as you are having in the diagram. This allowed all the colors of the spectrum to pass through the second prism, and he found that a beam of white light is emerging out from the other side of the prism. This observation gave Newton the idea that the sunlight is made up of 7 colors. Any light that gives a spectrum similar to the sunlight is often referred as white light. A rainbow is a natural spectrum appearing in the sky after a rain shower. It is caused by dispersion of sunlight by tiny water droplets present in the atmosphere. The water droplets acts like small prisms. Hence, if we have to split the white light into its constituent colors, we will be using only one prism. And if we have to recombine the white light which is dispersed, then we will be using 2 prisms, and the second prism will be placed inverted with respect to first prism. So the emerging light which will be coming out from the second prism will be a white light as shown in the figure. I hope this small topic is clear to you. You have seen this natural phenomena as rainbow many a times. Now let's assess what we have completed today. What is the acronym of WIBGYOR? Yes, you all know. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Now answer the second question. Explain the phenomena of dispersion of white light by a glass prism. You can write whole activity in this answer. The third question is, write an activity to get white light again from the dispersion of white light. The answer comprises the activity which was done by Isaac Newton to obtain white light when he placed two prisms inverted with each other and passed white light through them. So let's conclude today's topic. Spectrum. The band of 7 colors obtained on a screen is known as spectrum. Dispersion. Splitting of white light through prism is known as dispersion. Monochromatic light. Light of single wavelength, single color is known as monochromatic light. Dispersion of light. When white light of sun is allowed to fall on the prism, it splits into 7 colors. This phenomena of splitting of light is called dispersion of light. I hope today's topic is clear to you. And in the last, there is homework for you. You have to solve the given assignment. Thank you and have a nice day.